Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share with all of you best decisions that I've taken in my life, both career-wise and personally, that helped me to have not only a successful life, but a very happy life as well. So today is all about me and my journey. Let's get started. The first one is doing odd jobs. I've done all kinds of odd jobs. Right from when I was in high school, I went to a shopping mall. I worked in a shop selling music cassettes. Those days we used to have not even CDs, you used to have cassettes. I used to sell cassettes as a salesperson. Then I worked in door to door sales selling SIM cards in India. Then, when I moved overseas as a foreign student, like most foreign students, I worked odd jobs like car washing, cleaning dishes in an Indian restaurant, working in picking up beer bottles, cleaning, everything, coffee shop. I did all kinds of jobs. And what this really helped me was neutralize my mind in terms of respecting everyone, not based on what kind of work they do, but based on who they are as a person. In India, we are in a lot of bias situation, right? We have a lot of biases about religion, caste, rich and poor, what people do. If somebody is like in a suit, we just assume that they are rich and we respect them. And we treat people who are like cleaners and stuff in a maybe not so good way. So all these kind of things got out of my mind. When I came back to India for holidays, I still remember making sure that I washed my own plates and cups. I never used to let talk down upon, like a driver or a cleaner and stuff. I really learned to respect people. So that's the first thing I wanted to share. The second thing was moving out of house. When I lived all by myself, now this I don't mean you have to go only overseas, but I strongly recommend getting out of your comfort zone, because when you're home, your dad does the paying of bills, earning money, your mom does the cooking, cleaning, helping you with things. So you're very pampered. But when I started living alone, I realized the value of everything. I realized the value of cooking, cleaning, making money, paying bills, whatnot. So I really recommend strongly that every one of you should experience in your life sometimes getting out of your comfort zone. Paying your own money means earning your own money as well. खुद के पैसे से जीने का तरीका सीखो और बाकी लोगों से रहने के तरीका भी सीखो. Learn to live with people. Learn to live with strangers. How do you adjust with them? How do you establish relationship? This is what I learned when I started living alone. This is something I recommend everyone to strongly try. And I don't mean you have to go overseas for that. You can go anywhere out of your home, out of your hometown. That will really help. The third one is having the right friends. I was very, very fortunate. I had excellent friends. I've spoken about some of my friends in many of my podcasts as well. But my friend, especially the one, right from my 18 years age, who is still my best friend, Bala, he used to always say that, when I was failing a lot in school and college and stuff, he used to always say that, Ashok, we will rise together, we will do better than what we expected. He gave me that confidence that I was good and I wasn't as bad as what I thought I was. He made sure that I was not feeling inferior about myself. It's about really having the friends who will show you the mirror. He used to be someone who used to also show me my mistakes. He used to tell me what I'm not doing well. He used to not just pamper me, but put me in place. I recommend you all to get really true, honest friends, not those who are going to give you bad habits, those who are going to just party with you and tell you all those things that you shouldn't be doing, but they encourage you to do. Don't have such kind of friends. The next one that really helped me was helping at home in doing everything for the family. Right from I was a kid, I was taught to cook and clean. I don't specifically remember when my mom started teaching me to cook, but when I grew up, I was always cooking. When my mom and my sister had those 3 days in the month, I was the one to cook at home. That is how I started practicing. And I'm very, very grateful for that. My dad even used to send my sister and me to pay bills, electricity bill, water bill, go to the bank, fill the forms, go to the teller, bring cash. We used to be trained in all the domestic chores. And I'm very grateful for that because it made me a lot more independent than a lot of my friends. And when I went to live on my own, I was able to cook and clean. I didn't have to struggle like most boys. We often think that boys shouldn't be doing all these things, which is a stupid idea. Please don't follow that. Whether you're a boy or a girl doesn't matter. You should know to take care of yourself. You should know to cook, clean, wash your dishes, wash your clothes, make the bed, all those kind of daily things. The next one is I'm really grateful that I learned music and performing in stage. I don't know how many of you know this, but I'm a trained classical singer for 15 years. And when I was in school, I used to go attend a lot of competitions representing my school. I won a lot of prizes. I was one of those beautiful moments of my life where by performing on a live stage, I got rid of stage fear. I got so confident. I started appreciating and enjoying everything that I had with confidence because I was not able to get rid of my stage fear and the scare of meeting strangers and stuff because I was performing. So any performing arts, anything in music or sports, publishing or in a stage, please do that. It really helps you build confidence. Risk-taking ability and the attitude to not overthink and say yes to a lot of challenging opportunities. When I was asked to move to Vietnam, I said yes. I didn't think about it too much. When you start overthinking and analyzing, everybody will have different views. You need to do your due diligence, and some point of time you say, I'm going to take this risk. I was offered to become the youngest general manager when I didn't have any experience. I didn't think about it too much. I said, I'm going to do it, and I said yes. So when you're offered a seat in a jet, don't ask which seat, just jump on it. And this is what I have written also in my LinkedIn posts and in many other places. Every time you get an opportunity, don't overthink and kill that opportunity. Go for it and succeed in it. The next one, again, a very proud moment in my life was the whole family thing. I made sure that the kind of person that I had my relationship with, having a marriage, having a wife, having kids, taught me the value of not being selfish. I'm very proud that I have a partner who is very strong, independent, thinks on her own feet, and always supports me in what I want to do as well. And my kids taught me that I need to be a good father before being a successful CEO and things like that. It's really about being appreciative of the relationships that you have. It's about putting everyone else ahead of you. It's about thanking them. It's about caring for them. And this is how you become a good leader as well and a good employee when you get into workplace. So again, very proud of my personal success. Last one is working in different cultures. I'm so happy that I tried my hand in working in a Western country, working in an Asian country, coming back to India. And for those living in India, again, don't worry, you don't have to go overseas for that. Just try and work in different states, working in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab, Jammu, Orissa, Northeast, all this is different cultures. Experience and immerse yourself. Don't go to Punjab and expect just to have idli dosa if you're a South Indian. Vice versa is true as well, which means if you're in a local place, enjoy the cultures, the language, the tradition, absorb everything. Try and relish the moment because it really opens up yourself. It really makes you a smarter, better person. All these 9 decisions that I took in my life shaped me to become the youngest leader, the youngest CEO, all the success that I achieved. The habits and your behaviors and your environment is what makes you a successful person. Are you getting the right behaviors as you grow up? Think about it and comment what are those behaviors and emotions that is helping you become a successful person. Till I see you next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay fit, stay positive, and keep chasing obscene success. Thank you.